All right, welcome back. And so we're going to do increasing and decreasing. And I want to point out again that your increasing and decreasing and any other thing that we've already talked about is on your resource sheet. Use your resource sheet. If A is negative, it opens down. If A is positive, it opens up. Your maximum and your minimum, I give you a picture of each one of those. And now I'm at increasing and decreasing. For increasing and decreasing, you are going to work from left to right. So from increasing and decreasing, I'm going to go left to right. So looking at the left-hand side of my graph, which I'm actually going to take a picture of this graph and put it here so I can write on it. So I'm going to take a picture of this graph. Let me copy it and paste it right into here. Alrighty, so increasing and decreasing. I am moving from left to right. So I'm starting at the left and I'm going this way. There's two ways to think about it. If I'm at the top of my graph, which is going on forever, am I going to start to fall down or am I start to go up? Or think about it, if I were to draw this graph, starting at the left, if I were to trace this graph, would my pen be going down or would it be going up? And I hope you agree with me that from left to right, my pen would be going down. So I'm going to start with decreasing. So I am decreasing. From this direction. I start, remember these are intervals. Intervals are start, comma, finish. I started decreasing all the way this way. And I remember my graph never ends and it's never not going to the left. So forever to the left, I came in from the left, forever to the left is negative infinity. That's all the way to the left. And I'm decreasing. My pencil's going down, down, down until I reach my vertex, my minimum. I'm going down until I reach my minimum. And my minimum, remember, happened at, negative 2.5, negative 2.25. So negative 2.5 comma negative 2.25. So I'm decreasing until I hit this point. This point is where I stop decreasing and we're going to use the X value. So the X value is the first value in your vertex, the first number. So negative 2.25. And then I'm going to do increasing though. And then I'm going to do increasing. And I am increasing. Remember, wherever I stop decreasing is where I need to start increasing. There should be no jumps. So I stopped decreasing at negative this should be negative 2.5. It's the first number, negative 2.5. It's the first number, negative 2.5. Comma, I stopped there and I'm going forever. I'm increasing forever to the right. I'm increasing forever up and to the right. And that number is going to be infinity. So remember, start, comma, finish. They need to go in order, start, comma, finish. So that's my increasing and decreasing. I'm going to go back to my notes then. I just did that, so fill that in. My x-intercepts, look on your cheat sheet for what your x-intercepts are. So go find it. Oh, here they are. X-intercepts are where your graph crosses the x-axis. So your x-axis, if I erase all this, my x-axis is right here. This is my x-axis. It's going left to right. That's my x-axis. And my x-intercepts are where my graph reaches my x-axis. So these are these 2 points. And so if I use my Desmos graph, if you look on Desmos, it gives you those 2 points for you. If you click right where your graph meets your x-axis, it'll give you those 2 points. So my x-intercepts happen at negative 4, comma 0 and negative 1, comma 0. So negative 4, comma 0, negative 1, comma 0, comma. My y-intercept then, go look at your cheat sheet for your y-intercept. That's where your graph hits your y-axis. So your Desmos will give you that as well. It's where my graph hits my y-axis. So my y-axis is going up and down, so I might have to look. So y-axis,